All right, today is February 1st, 2022, and we need to open up to page 86.
If we can do this fast enough by ourselves, can we do it really fast? Because I can get it down.
No, I want to work through it.
87
We're on water fight, right?
86.
Okay, drought report. Okay. All right, so back before, so we have we done the impact in particular?
Yeah.
We've done that.
What number is that?
86, page 86. Okay, so page 86. Let me get it up on the screen here. Yep, make sure we're all there. Page 86. Okay, so we've got the word impact and we've got the word particular. Okay. Impact means the effect of one thing on another thing. Okay? So page 86 up there on impact. The effect, can you guys see it on the board? The effect of one thing on another thing. So how much sleep I get affects how tired I am the next day, right? Okay? How much food I get affects if I'm in a good or a bad mood, right? Okay? Um excuse me. What? So, example, who has had a positive impact on your life? My blank has had a positive impact on my life. I want you guys to fill that part out. So, the effect of one thing on another thing. So, who has had a positive, yes. So, positive would be good, right? Impact on your life. My blank has had a positive impact on my life. You guys fill that portion out, okay? My Mr. Calder has had a positive impact. Hopefully, it's not negative. My teacher, my coach, my principal, my mom, my dad, my brother, my grandpa, my grandma. Could be a lot of different things, right? Okay. All right, we all got that? Done with that part? Okay, then we've got the word particular. Okay, so particular refers to a specific item or thing. Okay. Okay. At what particular, so particular is referring to a specific item or thing. Okay. At what particular time of day do you feel most energetic? The particular time of day I feel most energetic is, when do you guys feel the most energetic? Today I'm not feeling energetic. I'm feeling tired today.
Like what time?
Yeah, like what time of day do you feel most energetic? End of the day? Like 10 o'clock at night?
No, like 5.
Oh, like 5, like in the evening? So like during basketball practice or something like that? Okay. All right.
What's yours?
Oh, today I'm not feeling it at all. Usually I would say like I don't know, probably mid-morning, like 10, 11 o'clock. You know, when I'm up, I've had some breakfast, I'm moving, I'm out and about. Um, yeah. Okay. Did you guys all get that? What'd you guys put? The particular time of day I feel most energetic is 5 is during PE. Okay, good. What'd you put, Brindley? Okay. Okay. That's when you feel most energetic because you get wired. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to read this. All living things, humans, animals, and plants need water to survive. Humans can live only a few days without it. Extreme droughts can have extreme consequences. Famine, famine, water without water, crops and livestock die. Often shortages result. In 2011, more than 250,000 people died during a famine in Somalia, in East Africa. The famine was the direct result of a severe, long-lasting drought. Refugees. Without enough water, people may be forced to leave their homes. In the 1930s, a series of severe droughts devastated much of the Great Plains region of the central U.S. Have you guys heard of heard of this? In the 1930s, a series of severe droughts. They called it like the Dust Bowl, right? Something like that. Crops failed year after year. Huge dust storms buried homes, farms, and people. The region became known as the Dust Bowl. Without crops, farmers could not make a living to support their families. Tens of thousands of families abandoned their ruined homes and farms and moved elsewhere. Disease. We need clean water for drinking, cooking. We'll pause. We need clean water for drinking, cooking, and bathing. When clean water is scarce, people may be forced to use contaminated water. The water may contain germs, harmful chemicals, and even parasites. Insects, worms, and other organisms that invade and live in the human body. Using contaminated water makes people sick. At present, more than 3.4 million people around the world die each year from causes related to lack of clean water. That's a lot of people that pass away from not having clean water. 3.4 million? Tragically, this number is sure to grow. Okay? All right, so these are some effects of drought, right? Famine, refugees, they're forced to leave, disease. Those are all effects of drought, okay? All right, guys, I want you to make sure that you get page 86 turned in. And then tomorrow we're going to do page 87. Okay, page 86. I will, yep.